When was the last time you went 10-pin bowling? Looking for something fun to do on a winter's day? And lastly, are you hungry? Well then, Zone Bowling on Coquitlam might have the fix for you. After being in meetings all day, we needed to get out and have some fun, and tonight that ticket was bowling. I think the last time I went 10-pin bowling was probably about 20 years ago. The first order of business is securing a lane. I would definitely recommend getting a reservation, as they do have league bowlings on certain nights.
Alright, so we're here at Zone Bowling. This place is massive. We got my whole committee here, my newfound friends for the week. I actually have Velcro shoes. Okay, so here's the deal with this place. They do have beer here, but you cannot have it at the bowling lanes. We have to go for beer and then we can go bowl later.
So here's the thing. If you want alcohol, you can get it here at the Big Chicken Town. They have a small selection and there's no Gibsons. However, the beer mugs are ice cold. Their menu features, well, chicken. And you get a proper menu, not just a QR code. And their collection of fowls is simply bananas. And speaking of food, there are a lot of different varieties to choose from to take back to your lanes. There's ramen, Vietnamese, sushi, blah blah blah. Well, you get the idea. There's even bubble tea for the squeaky wheel in your group. Other services include, well, you can buy a bowling ball here, and getting your hair done for those lane selfies, and a massage for when your back goes crisscross.
Had our beer, it's time to go bowl. Let's go.
If you don't already know, every ball has a large number stamped on it, which refers to its weight. The higher the number, the more it weighs. Also, the finger holes can be different sizes from ball to ball.
Yeah.
We divided into 2 teams and it was game on. What was awesome is over the 2 games that we played, everybody in our group got at least a spare. And if you're fortunate, you'll get one of these poster boys popping up on the score screen. Each team won a game, which sets up a rubber match in May. To finish off our evening, 3 of us went back to the Paddle Wheeler in New Westminster. Sorry Bob, I cut off your face.
Alright gentlemen, we're looking for Korea. Cheers.
I think this pub has the best location in New Westminster. It opened in 1986 and sits right on the waterfront near the beginning of the 1.3 kilometer waterfront esplanade. Once the new residential towers are finished, this esplanade will connect with the New Westminster Pier Park. And as always, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that.